at the top here. I don't see anything there. Oh, hey, there's some kind of shed in the bush here. All right, heading out to sea. I thought I saw a fire tower from the highway a long ways away. So the hawk. So I'm just heading up this road to see if I can find anything. I don't even have this one marked. I have no clue what it is. Could be on the wrong mountain, wrong road, who knows? Never been down here. There's so many roads here. I have no clue. Just head for a high spot and we'll see what happens. I don't see any tracks up here since the last rain. It's not an adventure unless you get out and go for it. And this is one of those go for it ones where you have no clue if you're going the right way, if you're gonna find anything. No idea. We're going uphill anyways. The e-bike's doing a pretty good job at it, I must admit. If you've seen my other video, this is the Hiboy P6. Did some tests on it, and this is what it's meant for, supposedly. Tree. Yeah, I don't know. There's a little road off to a high spot up here, so I'm hoping that might be it. I don't know. We're almost at that spot I was looking at anyways. And it's all downhill on the way back. I don't really see anything up here though. It's definitely one of the higher spots around. Okay, what do we got here? We got a road that goes to the right. Oh, jeez. I put a... I don't know if you can see it. I put a seat cover on here, gel, for my fat ass. So it made it higher. Alright, well, this goes to the high spot, so let's see what we find out here. Not much of a road, is it? Whoa! Ditches and dug up and oh my, swamp. Oh, this is not really even a road, is it? Oh my. Hey, oh, hey, hey. Oh, jeez. Oh, grip. Oh, lovely. Well, I went down on the high side. Put everything in the mud. It just turned into a mud fest real quick. Oh boy. Okay. I was on the high part. I tried to put my foot down on the low part, of course. Yeah, I don't, doesn't want to go anymore. I don't, that goes up. I'll take a little walk up there, but somehow I really doubt it. Oh my goodness. It's muddy. Muddy and wet. Awesome. Just awesome. There always seems to be mud where I want to go. Short of climbing a tree, I don't look like I'm going to be able to see anything up here. Yeah, skidder trail. Gotta go to the top, or I didn't really check it out. Whew. Okay, I'm pretty much at the top here. I don't see anything there. Oh, hey, there's some kind of shed in the bush here. What the heck this would be, I don't know. Oh. That's just a little shed. The hell would they have a shed up here for? Is there a tower nearby, or? Oh, there's a pole here too for power. Pretty much at the top of the hill here. Like, I think this mound here is the top of the hill. Oh, where it used to have a antenna tower there. That's interesting. Okay, well, I gotta find an open spot and put the drone up, see if I can see anything around, because I can't see anything and I'm not going any further. I'm at the top of the top. Pretty damn warm up here. Whew. Of course, I walked through the bush. We have permission. Let's see if I can get this thing up before I crash it into the grass. Looking kind of stormy towards the water there. Yeah, it's just a glare off the water. That's a high point over there. Nothing. That's a high point, nothing. Nothing, nothing. 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 Like, completely nothing. Like, I know I saw a tower of some kind. I know this thing can't see very good. Well, that's the other biggest point. That's way far away. There's the other point near Superior. Might be a tower on there. I can't tell though. I'm not gonna go over and take a look. So, okay. So much for that. Bring her down. And like that. Okay, that confirmed that I don't see a tower, so I'm gonna head back down. Found a shack though. Something anyways. I don't know if you can see that, but we're at a high point. So, and I don't see anything else around. So back down to the bike we go through all this crap again. Try not to trip and fall in the mud, because I seem to do that a lot. There's a pile of rocks somebody piled in one spot for some reason. I was really hoping to spin that drone and see that tower right in front of it. But unfortunately, no. At least the bike's still standing up and not in the mud like it was when I was riding it. And I left it on too. That's good. Okay, I think I got mud on everything. Wow. I think I'll walk this thing down a bit. So I don't crash again. I thought for sure this was a trail. Had to be something. Dug up at the start here, blocked off. Apparently not, and nothing within distance, sighting distance with the drone to warrant going any further, so. So I'll head back down to the truck. At least I aired down the tires last time, or this time from last time. Tires were way too hard last time. I can't hang it there. All right, back down to the truck. And then the bike just fits in like that, and it's good to go. Right on.